Omo Archbishop we Diocese ya Nyeri Anthony Muheria nigaboririe abakenya wesokia na kubakonya bamwabo anene bali bakire no muchando bw'umurakera na boigo enchara wetania kurwase chi county emeronkebere imese ya Kenya korengana na Muheria endagira yobokonyi kurwase serikali yoka te kubaisana abantu abo nabona nigaboririe onde bwensi obwatomo yobokonya wesokia na kurwa obokonyi bwa bene.
Government sent some help, but that help has not reached. That help has not reached our people. So we're asking, why did it get stuck? We, as the Archdiocese of Nyeri, have already spent about 1.5 million distributing food in Laikipia, in Karimeno, and with our neighbors in Isiolo, some food in Marsabit, and we also hope to help our brothers and sisters in Muheria. Dear people of God, dear Kenyans, let us put aside, even if it's just a little bag of maize or flour, and let us collect it in our churches, in our places of worship, and then collect them so that we can send them to our brothers and sisters who are suffering. This is a call, the cry from heaven to help a brother and a sister who may be in the threat of death if we don't act. Dear government officials, you who are charged in making sure that those donations reach the needy people,